welcome back to P4 Pharma. Myself Anjita Aravind. Today I am here with your medicaldictionary.com, and today's session we are discussing the term vaccine and its correlated medical terms. I already said that today we are discussing the term vaccine. Before going to the definition of vaccine, we will go through a brief introduction about vaccine. At what time we have to take a vaccine. That is, we all know that we are protected from the infectious disease by our immune system. That is, our immune system which destroy the disease-causing agents. And when these agents may invade into our body. And if our immune system isn't quick or strong enough to prevent the pathogens taking hold on our body, what will happen? Then we get illness. At that time, we use vaccines to stop this from happening. And a vaccine which may provide a controlled exposure to a pathogens and training and strengthening our immune system so it can fight that disease quickly and effectively in the future times. So when our immune system isn't quick or strong enough to prevent a pathogens which may lead to an illness state, at that time we are taking a vaccine. So now we will discuss what is vaccine. Vaccine is a substance which is used to stimulate the production of antibodies, and it provides immunity against one or several diseases. So vaccine which may increases the production of antibodies, and also it provide immunity against the disease. Now you will think from where the vaccines are prepared. So the vaccines which are prepared from the causative agents of a disease, its products and or a synthetic substitute, and it is treated to act as an antigen without inducing the disease. That is, the vaccine which may act as an antigen in our body, but it does not induce the disease in our body, and it acts as an antigen. When an antigen gets into our body, what will happen? It stimulates the production of antibodies, and it also provides the immunity against one or several diseases too. So from the definition of vaccine we get a new term, that is the antibodies. For more to understand the definition of vaccine, we have to know what is antibody. So now we will discuss what is an antibody. So antibody is a protein which is produced in response to and counteracting a specific antigen. Antibodies then combined chemically with the substance which the body recognized as an alien, such as the bacteria, viruses and foreign substances in the blood. So antibody. In the definition of vaccine we said that vaccine is a substance which may stimulate the production of antibody. That is, the vaccine which may stimulate the production of the blood protein. We already said that the vaccine which may act as an antigen in our body. So here in the definition of antibody we can see that antibody is a blood protein. It is produced in response to a counteracting a specific antigen. So in the presence of an antigen, our body will produce a blood protein. It is known as antibody. So now we have a new term, that is the antigen. So now we will discuss what is antigen. And here we have the term antigen. Antigen is a toxin or any other foreign substances which may get into our body and induces an immune response in our body, and it causes the production of antibodies. So the substances which may causes the production of antibodies is known as antigen. So antigen may be a toxin or any other foreign substances. So in the definition of antigen we get another new term, that is toxins. So toxin is a new word for us. So what is toxin? Toxin is a poison of plant or animal origins, especially one produced by or derived from the microorganism and acting as an antigen in the body. So toxin is a poison which may be produced either from a plant or from an animal origins, and it may causes or act as an antigen in our body. So now it is easy to understand what is vaccine. So we already said that vaccine is act as an antigen in our body. So what is an antigen? Antigen is a toxin or any foreign substances. So the vaccine is act as a foreign substance in our body, and when a foreign substances get into our body, what will happen? Our body will produce antibody against it. So Simply, we can say that vaccine is a substance which may induces the production of antibodies and also increases our immune response against one or several diseases. So that's all about the vaccine. Here I added an image. From this image you can understand how vaccines protect our against the dangerous infectious disease. We already said in the definition of vaccine that the vaccine is prepared from the causative disease causing agents, and it acts as an antigen in our body and induces the production of antibodies and also boosting our immune system. So here we are taking a small amount of dead or inactive pathogens and are put into our body, often by the injection methods. Now, these vaccines act as an antigen in our body and stimulate our WBC cells and making the antibodies against that antigens. And now the antibodies which may destroy the antigens without any risk of us to getting the disease. Now we are immune to the future infections by the pathogens. That's because your body can respond rapidly and make the correct antibody as you had already had the disease. So this is the simple mechanism with what will happen when we are taking a vaccines and how vaccines protect us against the dangerous infectious diseases. So that's all about the vaccines. That's all about today's session. On the next session we will discuss a new medical term. Till then, bye bye. Thank you all.